In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Shein and find the products you want in no time. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, this guide will help you maximize your efficiency while shopping for the latest fashion trends on Shein. So let's dive into the process and make sure you get the most out of your shopping experience. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Shein website. Simply open your preferred browser, enter Shein in the search bar, and click on the official site from the search results. Presentation is half the battle here, so make sure you're in a comfortable and quiet space where you can focus on finding the best deals. Once you're on the homepage of Shein, you're greeted with a variety of categories and new arrivals neatly laid out. Take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will help streamline your navigation as you browse. Now that you're set up, it's time to dive into browsing. Click on a category that piques your interest. Maybe you're in the mood for some new tops, a chic dress, or perhaps some accessories to spice up your wardrobe. As you scroll through the selections, keep an eye out for anything that stands out to you. When you spot something you like, click on the product to view more details. This is where the fun begins. Once you've selected a product, scroll down to the description section. This is an essential step because each product on Shein comes with an item ID or SKU. The SKU is a unique identifier for each product, which will come in handy if you want to locate this item again without having to scroll through countless pages. Sometimes the item ID may not be directly visible. In such cases, focus on the SKU. This series of numbers and letters are crucial in simplifying your search process. Highlight and copy the SKU number. Now navigate to the search bar of the Shein website, which is typically located at the top of the page. Paste the SKU number you just copied into the search bar and press Enter. Doing this will bring up the exact item you're interested in right away. It's like having a direct link to your desired product, saving you the hassle of sifting through multiple pages to find it again. And there you have it. You've reached the final step, which is simply enjoying the ease of finding that special piece you've been eyeing. With this simple, orderly approach, you'll no longer need to spend excessive amounts of time browsing or worrying about losing track of your favorite items. I hope this guide enhances your online shopping experience and makes it as seamless as possible. Happy shopping and enjoy discovering your next wardrobe favorite on Shein.